Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's your day going? Today, we are learning a super useful and fun question. Are you hitting on me? You might hear this in movies or even in real life. Let's break it down and see how to use it. Here we go. First, what does it mean? Are you hitting on me? Means, are you flirting with me? Or, do you like me in a romantic way? It's a question you can ask when someone is being really friendly, but with a romantic feeling. But be careful, this sentence can be funny, or it can be serious, especially when something feels uncomfortable. Let's look at both situations. Here are some fun and friendly examples. Number 1. You look so beautiful today. Can I take you out sometime? Are you hitting on me? Number 2. I love your style. You're really cool. Wait, are you hitting on me right now? Number 3. Let's hang out. Just you and me. Aha, are you hitting on me? These examples are light, friendly, and flirty. You can smile, laugh, or joke when you say it. Next part are some negative and serious examples. Sometimes people say things that make you feel uncomfortable, like at school or at work. In that case, are you hitting on me? Becomes a warning. You are showing that their behavior is not okay. Number 1. Your boss says, "You look sexy in that dress." Excuse me, are you hitting on me? Number 2. A coworker touches your shoulder and says, "You and I should be alone more often." Stop! Are you hitting on me? That's not okay. Number 3. A teacher says, "You are my favorite. I can help you after class. Just the two of us." That sounds wrong. Are you hitting on me? These are not okay. If you hear this kind of thing, you can use the question to speak up. Alright, quick review. First part, fun and friendly way. Are you hitting on me? Means, are you flirting with me? You are so cute. Want to hang out sometime? Aha, are you hitting on me? Second part, serious and uncomfortable. Are you hitting on me? Means, are you making me uncomfortable? Ooh, you look sexy in that skirt. Just saying, excuse me, are you hitting on me? That's not okay. That's it for today. Have you ever heard "Are you hitting on me" in real life? Or maybe you say it to someone. Let me know. I always love reading your stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.